Hey clouds, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So I recently saw Kylie Jenner wear this new hairstyle and I fell in love. It's absolutely so fun and it's kind of like the hairstyle I recreated of hers like in 2018, but the new and improved update version because she added some bangs. So yeah, I love this hairstyle and it was super easy to create, but it's definitely fun and perfect for when you're trying to switch up your look. So if you guys would like to know how I did this Kylie Jenner inspired hairstyle, keep watching. I don't know what that was for, but felt appropriate. Yeah, keep watching.
Okay, so what you're gonna need is a hairbrush, a mirror, and also 2 ponytails. Now, I didn't have a comb, but if you do have a comb, I highly suggest using a comb because I kind of just used my fingers, but we made it work. So what you wanna do is just split your hair right down the middle as best as you can, but again, if you use a comb during this process, then it just makes sure that your part is perfectly straight. And right now I feel like I'm forgetting something. Oh, yeah, lipstick. How can I forget that? I do own my own cosmetic line. It's natural, organic, and affordable. The shade is Designer, and you can shop her at www.skylerKaylin.org. And all you need is one swipe, and we're good to go. Love her. Okay, now we're ready to get started. So after I parted my hair, I did put some of it to the side just so it wouldn't get in the way. Now I am taking literally an inch of hair on the side. And as you can see, I'm starting at my earlobe and then I'm going in an upward direction. And then also at this point, you can start playing around with how much hair you want to cover your ear, how much hair you don't want to cover your ear. If you want to put all that hair up in the ponytail and let your ears show, it's up to you. But yeah, as you can see, I did separate the bang piece and it was really easy, but I'll give you a more in-depth look on how I separated that in the other side. Now taking my hairbrush and making sure that my hair is going to lay flat. I'm also doing my hairbrush in an upwards motion because as you can see, we're going to be pulling the ponytail in an upwards motion, so it's just best that way. Now this is my first attempt and I don't like it. I do not like it at all. So we're going to remove those bumps and redo it. I just figured I would include this in here just so you guys know it doesn't always come perfect the first time.
We're going to stop playing around and get serious.
So actually, let me just pull out my hair real quick. Hold on. Actually, I learned that when you tie all of your hair together instead of, just half of your hair, it's way easier. So all of your hair is in a ponytail minus the hair that you are putting up in this little pigtail. So here we go, round 2, same steps. I just added a little hairspray. Now I'm really focusing on smoothing that hair down and just focusing on brushing it out and just being as tight as possible. Like if you ever had an older sister do your hair, and you always complain about how tight she was doing it, well girl, you're gonna relive them days today. And bam. So I do recommend using a smaller ponytail. These are the only ponytails I had, but yeah. So it looks really good now. All I did was tighten it up a little bit, and now we are going to focus on laying down my little baby hairs as best as possible because they do what they want, let's be honest. Now we're going to be moving on to the other side, which is a more in-depth tutorial because I know what I'm doing now. You're literally only going to take an inch of hair, literally that much. You see that? That much. This is a horrible angle, but you want to make sure your bangs are even, like so. And then now, repeat. Get a little hairspray, get a little brush in, and then slick that baby back. The best tip right here is just to make sure that you have a firm grip on that small ponytail because it is just an inch of hair. It's easy to lose your grip. But make sure you're gripping it tight for the ultimate slick look and then just lightly tighten it up. And be careful where you tighten it up right here. I'll show you. You want to be pulling from the top, that way you don't create any bumps like what I did. Don't do that. Now, girl, my arms are getting so tired at this point, so if you have to, go ahead and throw a bobby pin in to push that bump down. Now we're just going to, again, perfect those small little baby hairs off on this side. Just really trying to make them look like they're doing something I want them to, but it's a struggle. So I've noticed I have all these flyaways, so I'm going to be using a tiny bit of this oil just to tame the flyaways. It's Texas, there's humidity, you can't, there's nothing you can do, so yeah. So now I am just making sure I am tightening the look and just making sure that it's laying how I want to and spraying it up, just making sure that baby stays all day. And there we go. This is the finished hair tutorial. It was super easy minus the little hiccups, but I really, really love this look. Now watch. Oh girl, looking bougie. Just kidding. I really love this look, and again, it was fairly easy to recreate. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comments down below if you liked it or not. Give this video a big thumbs up and hit that red subscribe button. Bye clouds, I love you guys.